The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Elbert County, southeastern Arapahoe County in northeastern Colorado, southwestern Washington County in northeastern Colorado, north central Lincoln County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:47 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles east of Agate, or 12 miles north of Lemon, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Last Chance. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.